Assalamu alaikum. My name is Imaan Bhutta, and I'll be the president of the Muslim Student Association this coming school year.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jabri, and I'm the vice president of Penn State MSA.
Salam everyone, my name is Saad Afzal and I'll be the treasurer this year for the MSA.
Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Anam and I am the secretary.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Soma Asad and I'm the Ramadan chair.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Huzaifa and I am the weekly events planner.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Daniel and I'm the leisure events coordinator.
Here at the MSA, we do our best to create a judgment-free place where everyone feels like they belong. We're also learning on how to be our best selves and can always use some more encouragement. We also work to grow our community. We're proud to work alongside the local mosque, the Islamic Society of Central Pennsylvania, to host events like Jummah, Eid, Ramadan iftars, and guest speakers on campus. Another big part of the MSA is collaboration with other student organizations. Whether it be religious, international, or service groups, the MSA is glad to work alongside our fellow students. What's new this year will be our collaboration with Thon. We're very excited to see what this next year has in store, and we hope that you can all join us.
Thanks, Hamid. So despite the fact that this school year will look very different than those of the past, we are still committed to making it as enjoyable as possible for our members. So we hope you join us in the MSA. Follow us on Instagram at Penn State MSA. And be sure to check out our brand new website at pennstatemsa.org.